She already made it clear if I didn't go with her or not, she was still going, and she was not going back to jail, and I know what that.
That was Chad Mecca, the man found with Morgan Geyser after she was caught. This as her case moves forward today in court. Geyser is one of two people who stabbed a 12-year-old classmate to please the fictional character known as Slender Man. That stabbing happened in Waukesha back in 2014. For the past few months, she'd been living at a group home in Madison. Over the weekend, she escaped. She was caught Sunday night, though, at a truck stop in Posen, Illinois. Waukesha County reporter Rebecca Clough was at the court hearing this morning in Chicago, where Geyser agreed she would not fight extradition.
Morgan Geyser walked into one of the courtrooms behind me here like she has done in so many years past, very quiet and with her head down. Morgan Geyser stood before a judge who told her she had a fugitive warrant. She told the judge she wouldn't fight extradition back to Wisconsin. 2 days ago, when Posen police found Morgan sleeping outside a gas station, she begged to be released.
Please just let me go.
Morgan left her group home on Saturday after cutting off her GPS monitor. When she went before a judge Tuesday, she was given a public defender. Her lawyer tells us he isn't licensed to practice law in Illinois, so that's why he wasn't there. But he expects to take over once she's returned to Wisconsin.
I'll still represent Morgan, and she doesn't have anybody else. I've been with her for 12 years, and she has her family, of course, but in the legal system.
Geyser is being brought back to Wisconsin on that fugitive warrant. The Waukesha County District Attorney's Office has already said they want to see Morgan Geyser return to a mental health facility and that they're against her conditional release into the community.
If they make that decision, then we will have an opportunity to fight it.
When it comes to Morgan Geyser's conditional release, it will be up to the state to file for that to be revoked, which would send her back to a mental health facility. In Chicago, Rebecca Clough, TMJ4 News.
Coming up on TMJ4 News at 6, Charles Benson sits down for an extended interview with Tony Cotton. What he says about advocating for her release before this incident and his decade-long effort to help her. Meanwhile, we're also hearing from Chad Mecca. He's the 43-year-old man Morgan Geyser was with when she was caught. In a police interview, Geyser said she met Mecca a couple months earlier at church. She told authorities at the group home the group home would not allow Mecca to visit, so he would sneak in through her window to see her. In a phone interview, Mecca explains why they fled together.
He ran because of me. She already made it clear if I didn't go with her or not, she was still going, and she was not going back to jail, and I know what that means. And I was scared and I was nervous, and I still chose to for my friend, who I knew wasn't going to make it on her own.
Mecca is charged with criminal trespass and obstructing identification.